If you are looking for the best digital products to sell in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 8 of the most profitable and in demand digital products that are not only trending, but can also bring in $9,000 a month or more when done right. Most of them are passive, beginner friendly, and you can start creating them this weekend even if you've never sold anything. So let's start with something shockingly simple. Coloring pages. These can be for kids, adults, or even niche audiences like anxiety relief, faith based, affirmations, or entrepreneurs. You can create these in Canva, bundle 10 to 20 pages together, and sell them for $5 to $15 per set. On Etsy, some shops sell thousands of these every single month. That's an easy $1,000 passive income with just one product. And trust me, you don't need to be a graphic designer and artist to create these coloring pages. You can do these all in Canva. Let me show you. So you can actually use things like Canva's AI features to create images. So you can go to Canva AI right here on your homepage. You can go to create an image, and here you could put the style. I usually like to go with either minimalist or even vector, especially for these types of products where we're creating coloring pages. You do want to go with something simple. And then the size for coloring pages, I like to do 3x4. And then here you want to describe the image that you want to create. So for example, I put here black and white coloring page illustration of a cute flamingo standing on one leg in a small pond, surrounded by simple cartoon style trees, grass, lily pads, and small rocks. You see how specific I am with these? The background features rolling hills, peaceful outdoor setting, clean line art, kid friendly, no shading, bold outline, minimal details for easy coloring, right? So let's go ahead and let's see what it gives us. And it's always going to give you 4 different images, which is amazing because we can see which one would be best. So for this example, of course, we don't want anything with any shading, any coloring, because it is a coloring page. So I really like this one. I actually like all of these. This one's my favorite one because it has thicker lines. So I can always go and click on it and boost the resolution. So once you boost the resolution, you can go ahead and that is your first page of your coloring page. You see how simple that was? And that took us what? 10 seconds to create, which is amazing. And we already have our first coloring page. So you can bundle 10, 20, 30 of this, make them into a set and start selling in places like Etsy. And if you want more ideas like these, definitely download my free 500 plus digital product ideas guide. You're going to find that in the description below. Now, next up in our list is printable games. I'm talking about trivia, party games, classroom activities, escape rooms, and even bridal shower games. These are huge for events, parties, teachers, and parents. And a single bundle can sell from $10 to $25. And because events happen all year, these sell all year around. I've seen game bundle shops clearing 3 to 5K per month from just a handful of listings. And the best part is that you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just make the design engaging, organize the games logically, and give people something fun or functional to use. Now, I have a question for you. If you were to make a game bundle, who would it be for? Teachers, party planners, moms? Let me know in the comments below. Now, third on our list are digital invitations. These are a classic and they sell like crazy. Birthday parties, baby showers, bachelorettes, weddings, you name it, create a Canva template, deliver it as an editable file, and boom, it's a product you made once that sells forever. And these usually sell for $5 to $15, but bundle them like a party pack with invites, thank you cards, and decor, and you could easily sell them for $25 up. I've seen new shops hit $2,000 a month with just event templates. These do really well because people are busy. They don't want to design from scratch. They want something that's already done for them. And when your design is clean, is cute, is edible, it sells itself. And if you need help figuring out what to sell or who to sell it to, try my Naomi niche bot. She will tell you your niche and your most profitable product idea in under 60 seconds. The link is going to be in the description as well. Fourth one in our list is AI stock images and mockups. If you got an eye for visuals, you can sell AI generated stock images or mockups. You can use tools like Canva, Midjourney to create aesthetic flat lays, stock photo bundles, or niche mockups like mugs, phones, or planners. People are literally making over $4,000 per month just from digital mockup bundles. One seller I found made over $3,000 in sales in under 6 months selling AI generated flat lays. You don't need a camera, you don't need a studio, you need the right prompt and a clean design. And if you are selling on Etsy, you need to disclose that it's AI generated. Because this is 2025, work smarter, not harder. Fifth one in our list is digital journals. People are using digital planners and journals in GoodNotes, Notability, or even Canva. You can create themed journals, self-care, gratitude journals, ADHD journals, business reflection journals, etc. These can sell for $17 to $47, and some shops are making over $6,000 a month selling nothing but GoodNotes journals. Don't try to make the most perfect aesthetic layout ever. Focus on solving a need. Create a structure that helps people get results, whether that's focus, clarity, creativity. 6 in our list are masterclasses. Masterclasses are your shortcut to turning what you know into digital income. You don't need a big course or a 12-module program. Record a 30 to 60-minute class on something you've already mastered, whether that's meal planning, fitness, business tips, social media, crocheting, you name it. You can create a digital product like a masterclass or a workshop that's going to help someone get a result. And you can sell these for $17 to $97. I've made this month alone $3,000 just from one masterclass that I have on pre-sale right now. And I'm making this masterclass one time and I can sell it on autopilot over and over and over again. And remember, you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be the expert. All you have to do is just be a few steps ahead of someone that you are teaching. So think about something that people always ask you about and turn that into a 1-hour masterclass. The 7th product that I have in our list is professional templates. Think resume, ebook templates, pitch decks. These are always in demand because professional Canva templates are gold for creators, students, business owners, job seekers who want to look professional without starting from scratch, who want a shortcut. These are high perceived value and low effort to deliver. So remember, design simple, make it customizable, keep it clean, and remember that people pay for the shortcut, not just the Canva file. And last up, this one is a hot one right now, and that is AI prompt bundles. This is a curated list of ChatGPT or Midjourney prompts tailored for a specific use case. For example, ChatGPT prompts for content creation, for writing, for designing, for marketing, you name it, you can create an AI prompt pack. And these sell from anywhere from $9 to over $97, and these are crazy scalable. You write them once, you format them in Google Docs or Canva, and deliver them on autopilot. I've seen prompt bundles generate over 3 to 5K with minimal updates. So if you use AI in your workflow, like I do every single day, package your process. You don't need to invent anything, just organize what you already know into a format that someone else can follow. That's it. It is that simple. You don't need a massive following. You don't need a 10 product shop. You just need one profitable idea and the courage to start messy. And these 8 digital product types that I just gave you are working right now. So don't just sit on this info, use it. And if you want more ideas, definitely download my free 500 plus digital product ideas guide down below in the description. And if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments which product you are going to start with. Let's build your digital income in 2025 starting today. Goodbye, friends, and I'll see you on the next one.